there, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Kumi. Today I'll be showing you how to insert your eyelets without using an eyelet machine or an eyelet plier. So these are basically the two equipment required in inserting your eyelets. However, occasions when you do not have access to either of the two is when this method comes in. I would like to inform you that adopting this method is not in any way inferior to using any of those machines. Instead, it means you are inserting your eyelets manually, which may of course take a little bit more of your time. By the end of this tutorial, I will be showing you several other ways you can design your dresses using eyelets. The first thing to do is to mark like this, and after the first marking, you decide on your preferred spacing. In this tutorial, I will be using a spacing of 3 inches. I'll go ahead and mark this all the way to the end. This is one of the items I will be using, a soldering iron. This is another item I will be using, an eyelet. There is a part of this that bulges out, and there is a part that is flat like this. I would also be needing an hammer or a scissors. Plug your soldering iron. When it is hot, create a hole like this. At different interval, try to pass your eyelet. If you can't pass through, make the hole even wider. After several try, my eyelet can now pass through. I'm going to get that flat piece and place it on the wrong side of the fabric. And then I'll get a scissors and notch at about 3 to 4 different places. Then I will get an object to simply widen the space in between. After this is when your hammer comes in. You get an hammer and you hit it mildly like this. That's all, guys. It's as simple as that. And it is so neat. Can you see? I'll move to the next one, create a hole. At intervals, I will try to see if my eyelet can enter. If it can't, I will make the hole wider, and when it finally enters, I will place the flat piece like this before notching. If you notch before placing this, it won't enter. So place it like this and notch at about 3 to 4 different places. Then you get an object to widen the space, and then you get your hammer to hit it very mildly, guys. Don't hit hard, hit mildly. At this point, I thought to try my scissors. So I have a big scissors and it's a little heavy and it worked. So going forward, I'll be using my scissors. I'm going to create a hole. I'm just going to try 2 more just to be sure that you now understand. Don't forget to, at different interval, try to pass your eyelet. You know that part that bulges out? You try like this and place the flat piece on the wrong side, notch it, get an object to widen the space and hit it mildly, very mildly. The eyelet is soft, so you won't need to hit hard. If you need to trim after using your soldering iron, if you notice the burnt part of the fabric bulging out, you can trim a little. Pass your eyelet like this. Notch, don't forget to notch. Don't forget to notch. Don't forget to widen the space in between. Don't forget that you don't need to hit so hard. And don't also forget that you should pass the flat piece first before notching. So shortly, I will be showing you several ways you can design your dress using an eyelet. Get creative, guys. Let me know how it goes in the comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye for now.